Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hello everyone, this is chapter 24. Let's start reading. Easy, Mr. Fang. If Mr. Shao's not in pain, it means surgery was successful. However, the injury was too severe. He needs good care and rehabilitation. Can he fully recover to his previous state? As long as he sticks to training. It's not difficult to recover to his previous state. Let's work hard together. O, diba? Supportive wife. Ganyan talaga dapat. Makakalakad ka din eventually. You're not receiving this patient? But why? He lives too far away. I'm not going to his place. But he can come here himself if he wants to be treated. Ang presyo. Hindi. Nalalayuan siya. Siguro iniisip niya si Liu lang. Kung alis siya, dapat magstay siya doon overnight. Ano namang i-reason out niya sa husband niya, diba? Di matalino. It's not really far. The patient is the Hot Spring Manor near Qingquan Town. Ay, hindi pala. Paano basahin yan? Near Qingquan Town. That's far enough. But we had a deal. You will receive one patient a month. Yeah, but I didn't say I would go to the patient's place. Lusot. It's okay that she refused to go. Not getting involved will save us, you know. This treatment can be deadly. What do you know? May ginawa ka. Bakit problemado ka? I've already signed us up. What? Yan, nauna-una ka pa kasi. Anong gagawin mo ngayon? What did you say? Problema kayo ngayon. I thought she surely could cure him, so I just signed us up in advance. Advance pala. There's so many people lining up to see the Marcus. If we only sign up now, maybe it will be too late to save the patients when it's our turn. Gabi. Sige na lang. Kalusot ka pa. Hot Spring Manor. Get out! You're all a bunch of useless garbage. Grabe ka naman makapagsalita. Sino ka ba? You will all be dead if anything happens to the young master during Mom's praying. May paganon pala. We have tried our best. He's gravely ill. Di lang talaga kayo marunong yan. Sure. Nobody could save him now. Sure ka? Di ka sure. You must survive. You're Mom's only son. She couldn't live without you. Only son. Pero may iba siyang anak. Oo, may iba siyang anak. Meron ba? Parang hindi pa pinakita, no? Siya pa lang yung pinakita. Pinakita na ba yung mama niya? Why is there a carriage parked outside our house? Si Liu lang tsaka si Go Jiao. Lift. Who are you? Nakita na ba natin to before? Parang hindi. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Excuse me. Is this where Xiao Yilang lives? Yeah, I am Xiao Yilang. Who are you? I'm the supervisor of Tianxing Academy, and my last name is Liu. Oh. Mr. President and my master asked me to send something over. Okay, palaba ko siya sa paningin ko. Urusan lang pala siya. Mr. President and master asked me to send something. This is what Mr. President gave to Mr. Xiao. Ano yan, letter? This is what my master gave to Mr. Go. Ano yan? This is what my master gave to Miss Go. Why me? Open it and you'll know. Uy, lahat sila may gift. New Year's gift. Okay. New Year's gift ni Mr. President. Pero may president pa dito. Di ba king and queen? Di ba ano to? Basta. Mali lang siguro pagka-translate. Whoa! This is a wolf hair brush pen. Wolf hair brush pen. So, ibig sabihin, hair ng wolf? Grabe. So, pinatay nila yung wolf? Hindi siguro. Baka nakita nilang patay na. This kind of brush pen is really valuable. Siyempre, mahirap pumatay ng wolf eh. But this jade pendant seems even more precious. Oo nga, di ba yung mga jade pendant is mga symbols yan ng isang certain family with a power. Power. Kanino? Sa kay Mr. President yan. I thought I could keep it a secret. Yung tinulungan niya, no? Turns out that the old gentleman knew it was me. Cute talaga nito. Anong nangyari? Anong problema mo? Parang gloomy ka masyado. What's wrong? Oo nga, what's wrong? What's this? Pick up. Is there an exam coming? The Conti examination, Mr. President signed me up. Conti examination. Magtake ka ng exam? So, mas mataas pa. Pero diba, he's a professor already. Nagkaroon lang ng accident, kaya hindi siya naging professor. He signed you up? He signed you all up? I don't think so. Ito na naman the enthusiastic niya na wife. Yulang always ranked last third in every exam he takes. Instead of giving up on him, Mr. President signed him up for the Conti examination in person. Good teacher. Ito talang chibi niya. Touched. Diba? Whoa. What a great teacher with such a sharp insight. I can't let Yulang's talent go to waste. Oo nga, matalino naman si Yulang I think we should visit Mr. President and bring him a gift. A flash of wheat. No. Why? Too far. It'll be out of town near Hot Spring Manor. Hot Spring Manor? No, not far at all. You stay home and rest. Xiaoxun and I will go tomorrow. Loaded. Diba nakapagpak na siya agad? Miss Go. What are you? Diba happy na siya agad? May siya, secret agent na siya. I thought it over. Hot Spring Manor is really not far. Diba? Balimbing. Kasi may iba siyang mission. We can get there in just 2 hours by carriage. Let's go now. You have a carriage, don't you? Mamadali pa siya. Why did you bring someone else and so many things? Are these all for treating the patient? Yesterday, she firmly refused to go. Why did she change her mind overnight? Huwag ka na magtanong. Kakapera ka naman eh. This is our New Year's gift for Mr. President. He lives near Hot Spring Manor. Unreserved. At talagang hindi siya nagsinungaling. After I finish treating the patient, I can visit him on the way. Diba? Ginawa ka lang palusot para may masakyan siya. I think visiting Mr. President is your main purpose, while treating the patient is just an add-on. How dare she just speak out? At least naging totoo siya. Huwag kang ganyan, ha? That boy is about the same age as you. Rumors say that he won't live past 15. 14 pa pala to si Gujiao. Tapos 15 si okay. That means he only has a year left, right? Yes, but he might not even last until June. Is he really that sick? Yes, and it's so sad for his mom. She only has one son. Oh, kahit ako naman. Kahit ilang son pa yan, basta yung mother namatayan ng anak. Masakit talaga yan. Whoa, what a grand manner. Just follow this road straight ahead. You'll pass through the first pavilion, and someone will be there to receive you. Young master, is that you? What a coincidence. Do you know I am bringing someone to treat the Marcus? So you specially wait for us here? Mr. He, the steward of the whole family. By the way, who are these two persons? Who is he? He is the steward of the whole family and the manager of the Rejuvenation Hall in the capital. Let's go. Oh, so you're also here to treat the Marcus. I wonder if Mr. Hu and my boss know about this. Mr. Hu and his boss? Mr. Hu is my father, and his boss is my little brother. After my mother passed away, my father remarried soon. My stepmother gave birth to my younger brother. He was smarter and more favored by my father, so my father gradually forgot about me, his legitimate eldest son. Later, my father used the excuse of my incompetence and sent me back to the Rejuvenation Hall in Qingquan town. Meanwhile, the family business was almost entirely given to my younger brother. The second hand. Huh. The patient is the only son of the Marquess of Dingan, not some commoner in your town. If something goes wrong with his treatment, it could cause trouble for the whole Hu family. Aba, uy, manager ka lang, kapal ng mukha mo. Firstborn yan, I beg your pardon. What's the noise? Are you all here to treat the patient? Why are you standing around here? Alright, that's the end of the chapter 24. We'll see you in the next one, and we'll see if what will happen in the next chapter. Anyway, I'm so intrigued with Mr. Who's family background. Tingnan natin kung sino mapapahiya sa kanila. Right, see you in the next chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.